What would the world look like if we understood that we are all nature? How would we look at other species? How would we relate to the world around us? How would we define success? What would companies be like? How would we conceive innovation? How would we create the products we use? What would the world look like if we actually felt that we are all nature? This is a question we're committed to ask ourselves every single day. This question has led us to fascinating new roads. From listening and learning from indigenous cultures that have been here for longer than we can imagine, to observing and learning from the wisdom of nature itself. It has led us to working towards a conservation of nature through the work with local communities, transforming waste into a source of income for rural entrepreneurs, which in turn they use as seed capital to start their own micro-businesses, empowering their families and community. It has brought us into turning natural, noble, and recycled materials into high-quality products that can serve as a symbol of a different way of looking at the world, while helping us fund long-term projects that can empower hundreds and even thousands of people in creating opportunities for regenerating the local economies and protecting natural landscapes. It has taken us to be inspired by so many incredible people from different parts of the world that are daring to transform their own realities by pursuing their own passions. What would the world look like if we understood that we are all nature? We don't have an answer, we just have a question. A question we believe is a question we should all be asking each other. What would happen if every person in the world reflected on that question every single day? Let's find out together. Let's remember what it means to be human, what it means to be nature. Let's work together into creating new possibilities. Let's share our love for the planet. Let's share our love for nature. Let's be one with nature. Let's look at the world from a different point of view.